Question 38 is: what is psychic or spirit surgery? Psychic surgery, as it is more commonly called, or spirit surgery, as it might better be called, is very similar to spiritual healing but can also include surgery being performed upon the physical body. However, unlike the orthodox surgery one might see performed in a hospital, spirit surgery does not require blood to be shed or any long period of convalescence. It is well in advance of orthodox surgery and rarely if ever involves any pain being experienced by the recipient, who will be conscious throughout the procedure. Treatment may also take minutes rather than the possible hours that may be necessary with an orthodox hospital operation. The healing medium who is used for spirit surgery may be controlled in a trance condition while, through them, the guides or spirit doctors perform any necessary operation. The controlling spirit healing guide who, behind the scenes, is assisted by other spirit healers, because they possess spirit vision, is able to see the physical or energy problem within the patient. To be precise, even what we see and describe as physical is energy at a slower rate of vibration. No guesswork or exploratory surgery is ever necessary. The subject's condition is clearly visible and understood by the spirit team. Although, like spiritual healing, no guarantee of total success, from the physical perspective, can be given, for once more many possible factors can influence what can be achieved. Factors such as personal karma, how one thinks, their mindset, and diet, for instance, can naturally have an impact. However, some miraculous results have been forthcoming and are always possible. The spirit healers are able to influence and control the flow of energy, as they do with spiritual healing, and with spirit surgery they sometimes use surgical or improvised instruments. Although quite often these instruments remain invisible to physical eyesight, yet they may be painlessly felt by the patient. Any incision into the physical body may also remain invisible to the naked eye of those of us upon Earth, or a small mark may initially show and then disappear within a day or two. Stephen Toroff is quite a famous medium for spirit surgery. He and his spirit team, led for many years by Dr. Khan, have helped many people over a number of years. I personally have seen him operate and remove or rectify a protruding disc in just a few minutes. This left a temporary scar line that was gone the following morning. No pain was experienced and the lady's back was much improved as a result. An amazing report concerning the work of Stephen and his spirit team was published in the Kindred Spirit magazine in the summer of 1996, concerning a lady from the Canary Islands. As follows. She came to see me with a bad heart complaint. Her doctor had taken X-rays and warned that the heart could give out at any time. Dr. Khan worked on her for 3 consecutive days, a few minutes each time. Then he told her to go. I heard, through a friend, who flew over a few weeks later to see me, that on arriving home the lady had been feeling much better. She had visited her doctor for further tests, without having mentioned the trip. After various X-rays and scans, the doctor became agitated and called in a professor. After they had both looked at the new results and compared them with the old, the doctor said, "Who are you?" She replied, "I am Mrs. Doctor, you know me." "But you can't be," he said. "I am," responded the lady. "Why are you asking me this?" The doctor, ashen white, replied, "We can't understand it. Your heart is fine, but it's not the same one. Physical organs, like everything else, can be dematerialization, and returned or replaced, because when the vibratory rate of any matter is increased sufficiently it will disappear from the visual spectrum of our eyesight." Ray Brown is another quite famous medium who is used in trance to perform spirit surgery. Many glowing testimonials to his work have been published over many years. There are of course a number of other mediums who work in this field of service, and I am equally sure that spirit surgery can also be given during spiritual healing. Like all other endeavors in life, some healing mediums achieve more noticeable results than others. One must applaud those who practice spiritual healing or spirit surgery, for most give up so much of their time and life in this service, and few of them receive any great financial reward or general public recognition by doing so.